Hey, what's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a text renderer like this. Text renderer v1. The whole script is made by me and you would like it. Just if you want another text like King of Thrones, so with the spacing 20 and time 0.1, see, it will print King of Thrones. Now let's get started. I'm going to show it over, but I need this sprite as it contains the costumes of every letter A to Z and digits from 1 to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Now let's get started. First I will explain you how to make this. So we are back. When the green flag clicked, go to X negative 217 and Y 155 and hide. It will be hidden. The clones will be shown on the screen. Now when the green flag clicked, make a variable selected and set selected to 1 and let it be hidden. Then make a variable text. You will need this afterwards. Then set text to keep it out. No, not needed now. Forever. No, we won't put it here. Let's make a block. Render text with line spacing. Line spacing, a number and time between them. Between the next second number. Click OK. Now you will need this variable selected. Set no, you will need this now text. Set text to text. Now get a forever here and then I've named, suppose if it is a in the costume, so the name is also A but small, or else it will not render small text. Set text to text forever, switch to costume, letter selected of text. Text the variable, not the defining of text. Then create clone of myself. Create clone of myself. Then move hashtag steps. Then change selected by 1. Change selected by 1 and wait hashtag 2 setting seconds. Now let's try this here. Render sample with line spacing 17 and time between is 0.2. Okay, now just one thing is left. put when I start as a clone, show. It's almost done. It continues after the last is over. So put a if length of the text. Sorry. I put it long. If length of text, I will delete this block. If selected is greater than length of text, then stop all. Stop all here. I will put a wait 10 seconds because we won't be able to see. Now the script is complete now. After 10 seconds it would disappear on the screen. Thank you guys for watching, but you can add more things, like I have added the blink when the green flag clicked forever. Go to typer is the sprite we were working on, and move 4 steps. When green flag clicked forever, change ghost effect by 90, wait 0.3 seconds, then change ghost effect by -90 and wait 0.3 seconds. So it gives a good blinking effect, but it is not it doesn't have the text sense, so it places the costumes anywhere and clones anywhere. Thank you guys for watching. It's just like the project I made the text standard 3. You can get it on Sketch MIT Edu. I also had a comment here. See, the script is same. You can also add stop this script instead of stop all. Wait 10 seconds. I've added this script too. Blink has the same script. It works same. Text renderer V1. You can get it on Scratch MIT Edu, and please like it and share it with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. If you improve this, upload it and send me the link.